Hi everyone, you're watching this video because you have selected either option 1 or 2 to continue your individual band lessons. We are using a Google Doc to replace the normal lesson sheets you would get in a face-to-face lesson. If you are using option 1, submit a recorded video option, you will submit your video using a Google form. The Google form is only for option 1. We will explore the Google form in just a few minutes. It's important for you to know that your document is not shared or connected with anyone else's Google account. In other words, other people cannot see your document unless you give them permission and share it with them. My expectation is that you do not share this document. You will notice that the document mimics our lesson sheets. This document will come to you via your parents' or guardian's email account they provided to us when they signed up for option 1 or 2. In the top left-hand corner, instead of saying Joe Smith, it will say the student's name and then lesson sheet. Please do not change this, as this is one of the ways that your instructors stay organized. The rest of the sheet pretty much mimics what you would expect on our weekly lesson sheets. The instructor will put the date. Then there is a link on the top of this form for submitting a recorded video for option 1 students. We'll go through that in just a few minutes. There is this rehearsal chart where your instructor will put the number of minutes that he expects student to be rehearsing, and then day 1, 2, all the way through 7. Simply click on the appropriate day and type in the number of minutes that you rehearsed that particular day. At the end of the week, okay, so 500 is probably a little too much, but at the end of the week, total all your numbers up, numbers of minutes, and put them here, and then have a parent or guardian put his or her initials so that we know that the parent or guardian is involved in the process, and we can verify that you have practiced the amount of minutes that you say you have. Students, there's also a new section here called Weekly Reflection. We're asking you to think about how your rehearsals went that week. Did you achieve your goals? What helped you to achieve your goals? Did you not achieve your goals? What prohibited you? I also included a few questions here that might get your thoughts rolling. We would like you to type in your reflections in this section. Underneath this line, you will find pretty much the elements that make up our regular lesson. Your warm-up routine, rhythm studies, scale and arpeggios, music, literature, this is your book activities. And then we would also like you to include your questions that you might have for your instructor. Your instructor will fill out this section, and we ask that you or your parent or guardian would type in questions that you might have. Percussionists, just notice that your sheets will include rudiments, so they'll look a little bit different. And we'd also want to be very careful to document practicing both of your instruments, your xylophone and your drum. Please note that all students will have editing rights for the document, so please be careful when you use it. You don't want to accidentally delete or erase the lesson. It was necessary to give you these editing rights in order to efficiently allow for rehearsal minute recording. Okay, let's go back up to this link. Students who are doing option 1, which is recording a video and then submitting it, will fill out this rehearsal lesson sheet, but in addition, you will also fill out this video submission form. Simply click on the link, and it will take you to a Google form, which looks exactly like this. Basically, what it's asking you to do is to verify who you are, and then click on the Add the File, and here is how you are going to add your recorded rehearsal video. Simply click on the link and tell it where you're supposed to be taking the video from. Upload it, submit it. Please make sure you hit the submit button after it's been uploaded, and then it will come to your instructors. I hope that you find these tools useful and that you get, after some time, you get familiar with the process. These forms and documents are set to allow people access to them even if you don't have a Google account. Please let your instructor know if you have any questions, and you can do that by using his email account. Thank you.